Hello my angels, this is me your friend Soumita. Welcome back to my channel Glowing Angel. Friends, festive season has already started, so I came up with this bright orangey makeup look for Navratri and Durga Puja. So let's get started. Before starting, I wanna say if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you will get notified. At first, I'm starting with moisturizing my skin with this Good Vibes Wheatgerm Nourishing Cream. Now I am priming my face and my eyelids with Purplle True Jewel 24 karat gold primer which I bought from Purplle.com. I'm starting with the eye makeup first and I'm using these two colors for my eyebrows from this Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette. After filling my brows, it's time to define my brows more properly, and for this I am using this Savannah Cream Concealer palette. Now I am blending this cream concealer with this fluffy angular eye brush. Now it's time to create the eyeshadow base, and I already applied the primer into my eyelids. Now I am using this same Savannah Cream Concealer into my eyelid with a brush and blending it well with a damp beauty blender. To set the concealer into my eyelids, now I am using this Wet n Wild banana powder. Now I am taking this bright pink color from the Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette and applied it into the crease line. The next I am taking this orange shade from the same Beauty Glaze palette and applied it into the outer corner of my eyes and blending it well with the previous pink color. Now I am taking the same Savannah Cream Concealer to create the half cut crease look. I am taking this vibrant yellow eyeshadow from the same Beauty Glaze Gorgeous Me palette and slightly press it up on the concealer with a flat brush into my eyelid area. Now it's time for the fourth color, and I'm using this light shimmery orange color to create the transition effect between the dark orange color of my outer corner and this vibrant yellow color. As this is a festive look, so I'm using this Miss Clear glitter liner to line my crease line. I am mentioning all the product details into the description bar. You can check it out. For my lower lash line, I am using the same shimmery orange color, then this Maybelline Kajal and slightly using the same yellow color and blending it well. Now I am lining my eyes and creating wings with this Quirky Badass eyeliner. complete the eye look, I'm adding some false lashes with this pack eyelash glue. This glue is really awesome. I bought it from Nykaa. After eye makeup, now it's time for face makeup. I already moisturized and primed my face. Now I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer into my under eyes and here and there where I need to cover up, and blending it well with the damp beauty blender. Foundation, I'm using this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation shade Desert Beige, and I'm blending it well with a damp beauty blender. I'm slightly contouring my face with this liquid contour from Kiss Beauty. For baking, I'm using this Wet n Wild banana powder. To contour my face more properly, I'm using this Wet n Wild contour powder. Now I am sweeping off the excess powder from my face with this big fluffy powder brush. For blush, I am using this Nykaa Get Cheeky Blush Duo palette shade 03 Malibu Barbie. Here comes the best part of makeup, and that is highlighter. And I am using this Makeup Revolution Golden Sugar to Rose Gold palette, which I got it as gift from my friend, and I just love this product. Maintain the festive charm, I'm wearing these beautiful matching earrings with my dress. I'm mentioning the link in the description box. For lipstick, I'm using this Stay Quirky mini lipstick from Purplle.com shade Naughty Conversation Starter. To make my makeup long lasting, I am using this Kiss Beauty makeup fixer at last. So friends, that's all for today's video. I am mentioning all the product details in the description box, including my dress and jewellery. If you want, you can check it out. And if you like my video, please give the video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and please subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free. And at last, happy Durga Puja and Navratri to all of you. And please stay safe, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.